Hey everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make wheat miso by yogurt maker. It only takes 3 days, and I thought that is amazing that usually miso making is over half a year, but it's only take 3 days if you use yogurt maker at your home. It doesn't matter if you have rice koji, you can make regular miso. This time I use wheat koji, so I made wheat miso. And I just amazed how easy, how short time just took to make miso my own home. I am so happy because I need to buy miso very soon. But now it's very difficult to buy stuff because of this coronavirus crisis, and lots of places are closed, so I have to buy from Amazon for the ingredients if I want to make some other stuff. But and very difficult to go to Asian grocery store. They're closed, and big place, I don't even know that's huge place in Atlanta is open. So anyway, I am so happy to making miso, my own miso for 3 days, and I am happy to buy my yogurt maker. So I think I'm gonna make lots of miso and natto and some other things. I used pressure cooker this time. Used 700-gram dry soybean and made more than 1 kilogram cooked soybeans. The softness is thumb and pinky finger to easily mash beans. That is the right softness. I will make YouTube video use leftover soybeans to cook other dish later. This time I use wheat koji. The other video that I used to make miso for over half a year, I use rice koji, and what is different is one is rice and one is wheat. And actually this is my first time using wheat koji, and in my house in around the Tokyo area, the miso is very regional in Japan, so we don't eat lots of wheat miso. So I am kind of skeptical if I can make it good or well, but actually it worked and I like it and tastes good. So this is wheat koji, and rice koji is white. Of course it's rice, but wheat koji, it's more likely brown, and either one's good, but you may not be able to find wheat koji from Amazon or some other place. I purchased this one in Japan and I brought here, so I have it, but you don't need to use wheat koji. You can purchase rice koji, and you can follow that how to make miso in this video. It's the same thing. So just instead of wheat koji, use rice koji. You can make miso, just regular miso. This liquid is warm water and miso combined. And I am using blender to mix all those ingredients, but I don't recommend this way because my blender almost died. This is too much, so if you're gonna use blender, only use for the soybeans, not all of them. or you put all ingredients in the plastic bag and mash by yourself. I'm making a bowl, and this is a fun part. I'm not mad, I'm doing this on purposely so that air won't get in between. This is second container, and I am using Pylex full cup size jar. I am using parchment paper. I purchased yogurt maker in the United States. I purchased from Amazon, and it was kind of difficult to find what I want because they have so many varieties, but they have only for yogurt. Of course, that's nobody probably making miso in their own home. This is in US, but I finally found this one, and I think I'm gonna put the information later, bottom here, so you can find out if you want to purchase it. But they have so many varieties, and also change the temperatures, but not high enough. So I was not really sure if that this one high enough to put the jar or bottle in here for miso, but this works. So I think I like this one, and they have a temperature control and also timer, so it works perfectly, and I am really happy about that. Try to be airtight. After I turn over this one, I put lid on and keep in the refrigerator. If you mash well when you mash all the ingredients, miso will be very smooth. Otherwise, it's chunky miso, the soy chunk in it, and I like both of them. If you like my YouTube video, please thumbs up for me, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. It helped me a lot. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and I hope see you soon.